Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool French door refrigerator, it's 26 cubic feet, and I want to show it off real quick, show you everything on it. It's working perfectly. So we're going to start right here with the water and ice maker. There's tons of options here. You can see it all lit up. You've got a measured fill, so you can actually tell it exactly how many ounces you want it to kick out. So you could just hit that and it will kick out exactly 8 ounces and count down the ounces. Not sure how well those LEDs are showing up on the video, but it counts down the ounces as it goes there, which is great for cooking, for measuring, that kind of thing. As soon as it's done here, I'll show you that. Alright, so we hit back, and of course you can just hit it for regular water. And then let me actually dump this out. I should have done the ice first. Okay, so dumped out, we'll switch this over to ice. Nice drop down in there. We can switch it to crushed ice. Excellent job with both. Switch it back over to water. So it fills up. Everything there works perfect. And of course here you can control the temperature. If you hold this 30 seconds, which is great to keep accidental touches from happening. Got the fridge set at 37. Got the freezer set at -4. So I'll put this up and show you the insides, how that looks, and the temperatures on the inside. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open the doors, and I'm going to show you that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, you're going to get a surface temperature measurement. It just kind of depends on what you shine it on here, and it's fairly accurate. I'll show you if we shine it on the floor, you get a different reading. But it's in Fahrenheit, so we'll go ahead and open this up. Right inside here, and we had this set to 37, I believe, so that's just about right on there. I'll take a couple pictures there. So now that we've opened this, because the second you start fanning this, the temperature obviously changes for the surface temperature gun, but you can see it's nice, clean. Everything on the inside, there's a bunch of ice down in there. And oh, and you've got little drawers down here. These things slide. You've got storage down in there. All the stuff is in perfect condition. Nothing's cracked or broken or anything like that. Plenty of storage in this guy here. Very usable space. Water filter goes up here, and I always recommend getting a new water filter. And so we'll close that up. Okay, and we've got this little drawer here is an extension of the refrigerator. So right about the exact same temperature, and it should be about the exact same temperature as the fridge. So take a picture of that real quick. And it's got controls here as well, which I guess would maybe make it a little bit colder if you wanted it for crisper drawer. We'll go ahead and open this up, shoot that right down in there. So we'll grab a picture of that. Even colder up here. So plenty of space here. That's just a little bit of staining, and I did just about everything, try to get it out, so it's not coming off. At least I don't know the secret to get it off. Then you've got indoor pizza storage, which that says that right there, so that's kind of cool. A little cubby just for pizzas. This is adjustable, you can move that around. Tons of space down here, and then this whole drawer that pulls out here is nice and spacious also. So tons of room on this guy. You will not be short on space. It looks great. You can see it's in excellent condition. It's got just a couple of little, what I call moving marks on it. You can see it there and a couple right there. But beyond that, there's no real bad dings or dents or anything like that. It's in excellent shape. So I'm gonna leave it plugged in. Whoever buys it will be able to obviously come check it out. But if you're driving from a far distance or having it dropped off with the no contact drop-off delivery, I do this video so that you can see everything works perfect. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. We know that when we get home, plug it in, you're gonna be good to go. Thanks for watching my video. I do appreciate it. I try to keep these short, but I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, have a great day.